Hello students, so today I am taking up this session for class 9th and the topic I have taken from number systems, and this is representation of under root 9.3 on number line. So if you want to check if such real numbers exist on number line or not, there is a specific method to locate it on the number line. First I will explain you with the help of a rough figure. The number is 9.3, that is a decimal number is inside a square root and I want to locate it on number line. So first let me tell you all the steps in a rough figure. If we are given a length of 9.3, then first we should draw a line segment of 9.3 units. And this can be 9.3 centimeter. So the unit I am taking here is in centimeter. So let me draw a line of 9.3 centimeter. After that I have to draw another segment of 1 unit or 1 centimeter. And I'll just extend this line as it is required later. Now this point I am calling as C. So I have a line segment AC whose length is 10.3 from A to C. Then I have to locate the midpoint of AC. Let here be the midpoint and let this midpoint be O. The midpoint you can locate with the help of ruler or you can do it by construction. Then with O as center and OC as radius, I have to draw a semicircle. This we will perform using the compass. After drawing the semicircle, from B I will draw a perpendicular and let me call it BD. So BD is a perpendicular drawn to touch the semicircle. Now I have to take B as center and BD as radius. I have to draw one arc which will cut the line AC at some point. Let's call this point E. Then this point E tells us the location of square root of 9.3. So this is how this construction is performed. Now we will do the fair figure. So here I have drawn the line segment. This is A, this is B. From A to B it is 9.3 centimeter. And from B to C it is 1 centimeter. So now I am taking the midpoint of AC. So I have located the midpoint O. This midpoint is midpoint of AC. So AO is equal to OC because O is the midpoint of AC. Now with O as center and OC as radius, or we can call OA as radius, I have to draw one semicircle like this. So this is the semicircle. After this I have to draw one perpendicular at B. So from B I will draw a perpendicular and I will call this line segment BD. Now with B as center and BD as radius like this, I have to draw one arc. This arc. This is the final arc which gives me the value that I am looking for. I will call this point as E. And this point E, I will highlight it as this is the point which represents the required value. This point represents 9.3 on number line. So this is the construction. Thank you.